So in this video, we are going to go over some keyword research and how you guys can put your website onto the front page of Google. So I'm going to use an example of on our own site. So the very first thing that you have to do whenever you're trying to rank for anything is to do a little keyword research. So I'm going to rank for, we're a video marketing company. So we're going to go video marketing. I'm just going to type in video marketing and see what's happening. You've got a lot of ads. Then down below here, I always like to look at what is being suggested. So video marketing definition, video marketing examples. This is, these are being searched a lot. So I'll start here. So I'm also, since we're in the services, I'm just going to type in video marketing services, see what pops up here. Scroll down to the bottom, online video marketing company, video marketing agency, video marketing companies. So you can almost take any one of these, but what I decided to go with was actual video marketing services. You can also jump over here to Ubersuggest. This is just a free tool you can use. And I'm going to type in that keyword. Okay, search volume, it's low, 320, SEO difficult, pretty easy, paid difficulty, medium, cost per click. So this kind of gives you an idea of where you're going to be. But go over here, and if you do a search on video marketing services, you are going to see that we are in position number 3. We're down below the 3-pack. This is showing up. These are my companies. It's just showing up because I'm in this location. But normally we're in position 3. I've seen as position 2, but position 3 for right now. And let me show you what I did. So the very first thing I did was I created an actual page. And this page is dedicated to the keyword video marketing services. So this is an H1 tag, and then all throughout the page I give a lot of good information, but I use the word video marketing, video optimization, page 1 of YouTube, video marketing services. Okay, you can see that I use a combination of the word video marketing services. And it doesn't have to be that exact keyword. It can be anything else to do with video marketing, but you have to have a bunch of different combinations of your keywords. So video marketing strategy, YouTube tutorials. But this is the typical page that I created. And then from there, what I did was let's go back to here. I'm going to log into the back office. Oops. Yep. So I'm driving them to a checklist. That's another thing. There is a call to action so that I can collect leads. And then if you scroll down, you can see that I have filled out the Yoast SEO snippet. So video marketing services, here's the keyword. Okay. Then I have video marketing company. Here's the keyword video marketing services. It's the first one. Then I have video marketing ads. So you can see I'm using the keyword in both my title and I'm using it in my meta description. Now Google really doesn't look at meta descriptions anymore to rank. This is more to get a better click through. Okay. I'm going to jump back. So once that's done, once you've created your page, well, first off, once you've done your research and then you've created your page, then what you have to do is get a couple of backlinks. And for that, we use a couple different services. We can get them for you if you'd like, but we do go out there and get backlinks for that particular keyword. So we've built them by ourselves. It's just a lot of work. So what we like to do is just use a service to go out there and buy a few backlinks. And overall, I spent probably around $250 in different type of backlinks to this page. And once that happened, it took a couple months, and I got to page 1 really fast. Now I'm in page 3, and might go farther. It might not. Some of the sites ahead of me are pretty big. So that is it. That is how you're going to do your keyword research. Doesn't need to be that complicated, but do some keyword research. After that, you're going to build your page. Then from there, you're going to get some links back to the page, send it out through all social media, and just push traffic to it. That always helps, and you should be able to take that position. Everything does take time, so don't think it's going to happen overnight. Give yourself the time necessary to actually climb up through the rankings. Okay, so that's it, and peace.